Hi guys, this video is about a tool from Hilo Concepts that we carry, and it's a deck height and a power valve flap adjustment tool. So when you're cleaning your cylinders or rebuilding the power valve area or assembling a new cylinder or whatever you're doing on the top end, these are necessary measurements, and this tool makes it a lot easier. So I'll cover the power valve flap first. So the power valve flap is the piece that flips up and down in the main exhaust port. And if you look down in there, you can see it right here. And so the way you use this tool is you pick the bike that you have. So this is a 300, so I'm going to use this 300 slot right here. If you had a 250, you would use this slot. And so you hook this part of it onto the top edge of the cylinder, and you hook this part to the bottom edge of the power valve. So I've already set this one, but so I'm going to lift this up, push it down. So now it's hooked into the bottom edge of the power valve. So the way you would do it to adjust it is you would have, oh, I'm on the wrong side. Let me reverse this. So you would have this tool in here like this, and then you would have these two screws loose, and then you push down on this gear part, and you push down on this little plate here. Just push them both down while you've got this tool installed, and then you tighten both of these, and then the power valve flap should be in the correct position. And then, of course, after you do all that, you'd want to run it through its travel a couple times and go back and check it just to make sure. If you had a 250, you would use the other side because it's a little bit shorter distance. And then if you want to check the deck height, so the deck height is how far the piston is from the top of the cylinder. So I'm going to stick this piston in here real quick. Press the rings. A little bit tricky like this. Here we go. So we got the piston in there. Hopefully I won't bleed to death here. So the piston, the stock setting is 0. So the piston needs to be flush with the top of the cylinder. So the other side of this tool, and I cut myself there. Anyhow, this side of the tool, so you flip the tool upside down, and then these two little pieces here, you put those in the O-ring groove over here. And you can push the piston up, and it runs into the outer edge of the tool right here, and it stops it. So that would give you a 0 deck height. So you can also use a straight edge across there if you prefer to do that, but you know, this tool has more than one function. Grab a napkin here. Anyhow, so this part is to adjust the flap. This part is on a 300, this is on a 250, and then if you flip it over, put these in the O-ring grooves, then this little edge here gives you the 0 deck height. Pretty simple tool, makes it a lot easier to set that flap height because you can hook it underneath that power valve and then tighten these down while you're doing it, and it makes it a no-brainer that way. That's all for now.